So one of the things you do not realize when you first start out making YouTube videos is that no one is really going to be watching your YouTube channel. And now, that's not because you may not have good content. It's most likely because no one knows who you are yet, because the YouTube algorithm doesn't know who you are either. You've posted maybe a couple videos and it doesn't know exactly who to show them to. It may think you're this kind of category, maybe this category, or maybe this category. And the fact is, it does not know until you start posting more and more videos. Now, that being said, the main thing that you have to think about and get past is knowing that there is a massive hurdle when you first start, because most people, when they first start YouTube videos or any type of video streaming, they think, oh, no one watched these first three handful, 20, 30 videos, therefore this is not working out. But the fact is that there's still a lot of time that's going behind the scenes to make these videos happen, to make videos go to the front page, to get them in front of different eyeballs. And you do not know that until you keep grinding these videos out. Now, I know that's a difficult thing to sometimes accept, but what you have to understand is this does take a long time. It's not just a straight up like that. It does take a little bit of time, and over you will see more and more views. Now, the one thing I've heard before from different YouTube channels is to check your overall view counts. Now, when you go to that, you click on the button and look at your entire lifespan of what you've done, because what you will see is a nice graph of it going slowly up if you're doing everything correctly. Obviously, if you're not posting, it's not going to go up at all. But what you will see again is that you obviously had nothing at the beginning, which is how everyone starts. And the more time and effort you put into it, the more and more views you get from that. And again, you're going to learn more as you do each and every video. Now, don't accept that one video is going to be better than the next video. Each one is a blank canvas. It doesn't matter how you started, though. It's just that the fact that you are doing it, the fact that you are making these videos will help you, because you're going to learn how to edit, how to talk better in front of the camera, make eye contact, comment. There's so many other things you can learn from this, but that is why each and every time you're making a video, you should be learning, and that by itself will go a very long way to help you out. Now, the point of this video is to, again, let you know that there is a massive hurdle to coming to YouTube and making videos, but you yourself, who's ever watching this right now, can get over that hurdle. It just takes time. You have to keep posting videos. You have to have this confidence that eventually these videos will get traction, they will get in front of people, and you will get more views, and eventually you'll start reaping those benefits. But do not get upset or frustrated if it does take a long time. It may take a year, it may take 2 years, it may take 3, it may take less than that. Everyone's different depending on who you are, the topics you're talking about, and how your style is, because sometimes it does take a while for someone to find your style and enjoy it. But once you do, you are going to have those people who really enjoy your video. So that is all I have for you today. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate that. It helps get this video to more and more fans such as yourself. And that is it, and I will see you in our next video.